everybody to the 2018 Harley Davidson Fat Bomb. The bike I have with me today is powered by a 107 Milwaukee 8 engine, which has 1745cc and 145 newton-meters of torque. Now why I mention the torque is because the BHP or brake horsepower is unknown. Harley Davidson does not put out the brake horsepower figures. One thing I do know is that this bike weighs 300 kilograms or roughly 320 kilograms with fuel, and it's priced at 13.50 lakhs ex-showroom, which will probably bring it to 15 plus on road with Delhi registration. Let's see how the bike is. The front brakes are dual discs, 4-piston front brakes and 2-piston rear floating brakes. The alloys are 16 inches each, and the front is 150 section tires and the rear is 180 section tires. The front lights you see are called the day makers. These are full LED units, and let me tell you that they contribute in two factors. A, the bike looks really amazing. I mean, it turns heads, and I could say it's one of the prettiest bikes I've had so far in the Quickshift fleet. Secondly, it really illuminates the road really well. I mean, you can see the road very clearly, even in tricky situations, extremely dark situations, and fog, which is the case nowadays in India with the weather these days. All in all, I'm really happy with the day breaker, and it's just the best thing that could happen to this bike. Thank you very much, Harley Davidson. There are two things adjustable on this bike. First is the handlebar. You can tweak it according to how you like to ride. And second thing you can tweak is the suspension. There's a knob right here beside my leg. I don't know if it's visible, but you can just use this knob and you can turn it around and twist it according to the weight load of the rider. This would help with the ride quality and how the suspension reacts to bumps according to the rider's weight. It's fully adjustable.
Now, even though this bike weighs over 300 kgs, I can safely say that it's one of the better handling bikes I've ridden so far. The chassis balance is absolutely neutral, and you have no fear in leaning into a corner, and you'd be sure that the bike will stick and you'd be through with the corner with utmost ease. Now, this is a 107 engine. Globally, this engine is available with a 114 engine as well, which is slightly bigger and it has slightly more power. The 107 engine here is not bad at all because it has appropriate torque and appropriate acceleration for the body. It pulls well at low revs and it pulls to the red line cleanly at any time. It's actually pretty sprightly for the weight because people would not expect such a bike to be so fast. This bike actually cuts through pretty fast, and you'd be surprised with the progress this bike can make with just the twisting of the throttle. Overall, this 107 engine has been a big surprise, and I'm just eager to know what the 114 engine can do in the right hands. Really amazing package. So the ride and handling and the engine really makes the bike a hooligan of a bike, but a safe hooligan. It's not something you'd regret riding. I'm really amazed at what this bike can do. So to sum it up, the bike looks amazing with the day maker lights. I think the engine is really amazing in the 107 guys because it provides with amazing torque and amazing acceleration with consideration of the 300 kilogram weight. The handling is amazingly neutral, and it's just a really fun bike to ride around twisties because you can lean, you can bend. Yeah, you'll scrape the foot pegs, but I don't think that's an issue at all. And you can just carry in with good speed and have good exit speeds, and make sure that you're holding the line really well with the good tires, with the Dunlop tires. The riding position is really comfortable. The seats are really nice. The handlebar is adjustable, so you can adjust it according to your posture, according to what seating height you want. And obviously you can have the adjustments of the suspension can be changed according to the weight of the rider to find the optimum balance. I think it sounds really good on the stock pipes, and all in all, this makes the bike a really attractive package for the price at 13.5 lakhs ex-showroom. It's a really eye head turner, and it surely gathers a lot of attention wherever it goes. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.